So you have the portable lightweight wheelchair from Vive. Now in this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answering for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. I saw, what was the assembly time like for this wheelchair? The second question I was seeing is, does this work great for if you're in uneven surfaces? And then what is the weight limit for this chair? So let's get into the first question. What was the assembly time like? Literally no assembly at all. So it's going to come out of the box looking like this. All you have to do is put on these feet rests. So you don't need any tools. You don't need anything like that. Pull it out of the box, pull it apart, put the feet rest on there if you want that, and you are good to go. Now for the second question, how does this work on uneven surfaces? So they're going to have big 8-inch wheels on the bottom. I got a video in the corner. We can see them a little bit closer, but big 8-inch wheels, so it definitely can handle uneven surfaces. Now I probably wouldn't go off-roading with it, but if you are going to go on some bumps, anything like that, sidewalks, stuff, cracks or whatever, you're going to be good to go and be all right. And now for the final question, how much weight can this hold? So it's can hold up to 250 pounds. The seat is 19 inches in width, so it should be able to support, a larger individual. But, up to 250 pounds still is pretty large, even though it's so lightweight. And I would say it weighs maybe around 30 pounds. So it only weighs 30 pounds, pull it in and out of your trunk, and it can hold up to 250 pounds. So overall, I think this is the perfect portable, lightweight wheelchair if you're looking for one. No setup to it, pull it out of your trunk, get your loved one in there and get moving around safely. So I am very, very happy with this. 2 thumbs up.